Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all had a very Merry Christmas. I'm super excited for a lot of my content coming in 2020, but today I thought I would try on a bunch of different New Year's Eve outfits, some that I've actually worn and some that I plan to wear, and just put together a little New Year's Eve outfit haul for you guys. I have some pieces from Lulu's, Francesca's, Express. I have some more casual items, so if you're into that, I hope you will give this video a thumbs up and keep on watching. This first piece is from Lulu's. It's just this really sparkly mini dress. It's silver, black, and tan, so really classy neutrals. It's a little spaghetti strap. It's nice because it doesn't come down too low, and it's very fitted and short, so this is definitely a perfect outfit to go to the club or the bar, and I would definitely pair it with a little pair of like black kitten heels, and I'd probably throw over a black jacket if I was going to wear this because New Year's Eve in Pennsylvania is very cold. I actually got this dress from Lulu's at the end of last season, but they have a lot of similar options still available, so I'll link some of those down below for you guys if you still have time to order something. And then I've also seen this dress very similar to Express. I feel like this is almost like a knockoff to the one at Express. The one at Express has short sleeves, and I'll try to link it down below as well. So this next outfit is probably one of my favorites. I think it's super flattering. I picked up a few weeks ago this very lacy black flowered turtleneck from Express. It's very see-through, so you will have to pair it with some sort of bralette, but it's really nice to tuck into something because you can kind of like expose a little bit of skin, but not too much. And then I got this green velvet skirt at the end of last season from Francesca's. I showed it in the haul before, and it's just like a long pencil skirt with a little ruffle detail on the side. I think it's very flattering. This is definitely a pretty dressy outfit. So I think this is great like if you would go to like a cocktail party or just some like really fancy club or even just like a really fancy restaurant. So I'm obsessed with this outfit and I just might wear it this year. This is another one of my favorites. Now I got these 3 items on 3 separate occasions and it just really goes nicely all paired together. I have this black cropped Calvin Klein jacket from TJ Maxx, this really sparkly Express tank top I wore in my birthday vlog, and they're still really in, and Express has a whole bunch of different colors. I love this one because it has blue and pink and gold and just everything. And then I'm wearing these faux leather leggings from Express that I got in my cheapest Express haul ever video. I think this is a really great outfit if you live in the north and it's freezing. Like if it's a really cold New Year's, I'm definitely going to be wearing something like this, you know, like under 30 degrees. So yeah, this is just great because it will keep you warm, yet you can still be really fashionable and trendy. And of course, take off the jacket if you get hot. And I would definitely pair this with like a little pair of heeled booties for just a really classy look. I think this outfit is super flattering and would really work on any body type. So if you plan on staying in this New Year's, either with your significant other or some friends, I think it's nice just to wear some black skinny jeans with a really festive sweater. I got mine from H&M. It's this heather gray color with this rhinestone beaded bow, and I just really like it because it's kind of like a boring plain sweater, but this really dresses it up. It's super comfortable. I know H&M is kind of hit or miss on having cozy and comfortable sweaters. You could also wear this with leggings if you're going for an even more casual look, and don't forget your fuzzy socks. I'm in love with this jumpsuit. It's a black tank top jumpsuit with a little bow tie here from Lulu's. It's a wide-legged jumpsuit and it's at the ankle length. I'm sorry you guys can't really see. But I think the wide-legged jumpsuits look so flattering. There's something about just being like super cinched in at the waist and having the wider leg that I think looks really good on a lot of different body types. Typically, I always gravitate towards very skinny jeans or very skinny dress pants, but I really am digging the wide-legged look here. I think an open-toed shoe would be paired really nice for this, and I think this is another good option for going out if you live somewhere cold. I don't really like the look of this paired with a jacket, but just because it's kind of pants and it's not like as skimpy, it will keep you warm, you know, if you're just running from your Uber into the bar or whatever. And I think this is a really nice outfit where you can go with a very dramatic eye look, you know, like lots of purple glitter or whatever, because you're keeping it so simple and classy with your outfit. I don't remember if I said this, but I did get this at Lulu's, and I've worn this a bunch of times going out with my friends already, including in Chicago. So I'm not gonna wear this year, but it's definitely something in the back of my closet that I'll be hanging on to for a long time. So this is actually what I wore last year for New Year's. I'm telling you, these sparkly express skirts never go out of style. They have a whole bunch of new colors this year. I love this rainbow one from last year. I actually wore this with black tights because it was so cold, but you know, if you live in a warmer climate, go bare-legged. And I also wore this with this black velvety crisscrossed express tank top, which I love. It's super versatile. I do like it better with a little lacy black bralette that's kind of peeking out, but I just didn't feel like changing into one. And then again, this Calvin Klein jacket that I showed in my earlier clips. So you can definitely mix and match these pieces if you get similar ones. I will try to link something similar or the exact item down below. I hope you guys will subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be sharing my vision board in my very next video on how many goals I want to achieve this year, what they are, and all of that good stuff. Thanks guys for making it to the very end, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop.